Hey, beautiful people. Ipsy. Let's open it up. And we have BoxyCharm. I thought I canceled. Okay, so for February, got like this swirly thing here. It's kind of pretty. Anything in the bag? You are loved. Okay, so we got our 5 items here. This was my pick. The Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner with Rose Ginseng Chamomile. And Seraphine Botanicals. I like their lip gloss. Estate Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow duo. Clinique. Moisturizing lotion. And Beauty for Certain. Whole lot of mascara in rich black. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, so products are valued over 50 bucks. So what do you guys think of the bag? That's a cute little heart. So here's the mascara. Nice mini size. That is full size would be 32. This is a deluxe sample size. The toner, this looks really good right here. It's plastic and it is 1.69 fluid ounces. And this is deluxe sample, would be $36. Wow. Okay, Estate Cosmetic eyeshadow duo. That is $6 in a full size. I mean, this is great for traveling. Quick, easy look. Right? Yeah, that's really cute. Clinique, always a great brand. It's a moisturizer. And this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $32.50. And last, we have Seraphine Botanicals, Cherry Moya and Fig Vegan Lip Stain. What's the color here? That is a full-size product, 18 bucks. And I like the packaging. It's a nice color. It's vegan. And this is in latte. Very nice. What do you guys think about this bag? You want to see this box? Let me know.